Hi, it's Jessica Moore with Rovithis Realty, and I'm so excited to showcase my newest listing here in Stafford, Connecticut. Let's take a look at this fantastic property. Come on. Your personal tour of 100 Upper Road here in Stafford, Connecticut. If you have any questions regarding this listing, or if you're thinking of listing your home, please contact me at the number below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we strive to be your real estate resource, and I want to work with you.